Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can buy cars in Forza Horizon 6. It's quite easy. All you need to do, just open the menu, select this tab My Horizon and select the option Return Home. Select yes. Once you see a screen like this, select the option Buy and Sell and select this one now, Auto Show. And then you just gonna see a lot of cars, so whichever car you like you can simply select that car and you can see the price. If you afford this car you can just purchase it right away. So this is the price, and the best part is that you can basically look for particular brand. Like here we have BMW. If we select this, we'll able to see only cars from BMW. Right now I only have 40,000, so according to that I need to look for the car. So I guess I can purchase, okay, this one. I just need to select that, and after we select the car we'll able to see all the available designs for this car. Like you can see we have a couple of designs, so whichever you like you can simply select that. And also you can go for manufacturer colors. If you select that you'll able to see colors from manufacturer. I guess I'm going with this one. Now just pay the money, select buy, and after waiting for few seconds you'll see you have successfully purchased the car. Select enter, and now you can do some customizations if you want, but I'll just proceed with okay. Then back, just hit the back button again, and now we can just back from this, and let's see if we cut the car or not. Oh, there you go, we cut the car. So this is exactly how you'll able to purchase cars or buy cars inside Forza Horizon 6. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.